Oh my god! Coming to Jordan for 3 days was a real mistake! We definitely should stay here for months!
That's how my face looks like when I travel. This time in Jordan, baby. December 2018, we flew to Jordan's capital Amman with intention to skip the big city and hit the road looking for adventure. We had 72 hours before our plane leaves the country, so here the trip begins. So just landed in Jordan, waiting for a car rental to come and take us to our car. Dude, where's my car? Dude, I'm very sorry, where's my car? Okie dokie. So finally in the finals, we're here in the car rental office. New cars. We've been waiting for a guy to take us from airport like 1 hour. He was saying like 3 minutes I'm coming, 3 minutes I'm coming, and he never came.
But we made
then he came.
friends.
Yeah, we found some friends, learned some bad Arabic words, and I'm somehow like trying to catch you in my hand. Okay, so let's make a small quick tour in the new rental car office. Here is Emilio Gudaitis Goodis.
Nice to see you.
Waiting for his car. Chevrolet, I hope so. And here's Petra, famous Petra place owner Petras from Lithuania. Nobody knows that, but he owns the Petra, believe me. And here is nothing changed. Davidas Pakenas, the same guy as always.
Still waiting.
Okay, and the boss came, so I have to go now. Owner of the place was very friendly and helpful. We had a little chat about his business and the country he lives in. First thing we learned about Jordan is that you can smoke anywhere. With that in mind, we left the office and headed to city Madaba for the first night. So, finally made to Madaba city. It was 20 minutes drive from Karantal near the airport, and we just reached our Moab hotel. So let's check inside. Okay, hello guys, this is your guy Borat, and there is my friend Gudaitis, and today we're gonna show you our best room in Madaba Hostel. So, first of all, we have amazing locker space here to secure your items. It's very professional and safe, secure. Security level top 10. Here we have another man with pidaraske. It's called like safe wallet around your waist. This guy is preparing for a sleep after restless night, and there is my bed where I'm sleeping next to the toilet with amazing smell coming all the time from there. Welcome to Madaba city. It's Friday, 9 p.m. For an hour, we walked around the empty streets of city, having almost 85,000 citizens, visited liquor store for an expensive beer, and were warmly welcomed in electronics shop with Zigzag cocktail.
Pirmas gurkšnis.
35 degrees! Oh! Zigzag, water cranberry, Madaba, the best! Now it's time for a dinner, and what could be better than a sister of kebab, Mrs. Shawarma. I will try shawarma, chicken, roll, for the first time. Impressions. Looks nice and crispy, straight from the grill. Cheers. Look inside. Delicioso. You think that's all? Believe me, not. See this guy here? He knows where Lithuania is. And, surprise, surprise, we were invited for a morning coffee at his office. We'll be there. Promise. Good morning, guys. Second day in Jordan. As you can hear, the city is alive. It's 7:30 in the morning, Saturday, and yeah, thank you. Last night wasn't sleeping very much. A lot of noise from outside, dogs barking, condition working, 44 in the morning. National parade from the mosque started, so a lot of noises to hear during the night. But here we are, ready to roll and ready to say no more. It's time to meet our new friend. His name is Muhammad, and he is a head at the local knowledge station. Muhammad was studying in Ukraine and he speaks Russian. He showed us around the facilities and we started drinking coffee. A lot of coffee. Too much, I would say. Best local food came after and everything was super delicious. We ate together with the Muhammad family and that was awesome. After the breakfast, he invited us for a walk. In 5 minutes, we entered city council building and went to see the mayor. That was absolutely crazy. Best breakfast ever. Our time in Madaba was going to the end, but we still had one more mission to complete. Buy warm jackets for a cold night in the desert. Muhammad arranged the deal and we paid same as locals would pay. Now we're ready to drive south. Huge thank you for a warm welcome and see you next time. Give a like for Muhammad. Now we have to hurry up because we're 5 hours behind our schedule. Or 5 coffees, should I say. 300 kilometers left till Wadi Rum National Park. Finally made to Wadi Rum entrance gate. Sadly, the sunset is over, but at the moment the main goal is to find camp.
All good.
All good and nowhere to go?
Yeah.
Okay, and hopefully tomorrow in the morning we'll see all the good views, what we missed today.
We haven't missed anything.
We haven't missed anything. Just enjoying the road trip. Woo-hoo! Okay, so finally of the final finalists, we made it successfully to the Wadi Rum. It's a bit late, a bit dark, a bit late. Our guide a bit angry, but still we are in the back of the pickup and going 8 kilometers to the desert, to our base camp, and we're gonna spend the night there, have some local cuisine, I hope so. And then in the morning, I don't know, we're gonna walk back probably from there, 8 kilometers. We will see. We ate some chicken for dinner, did photography session, and morning dawn appeared in the sky. Look at this, look at this, I look at this, you look at this. Speechless. Don't jump.
Why?
It's dangerous, buddy. It's gonna hurt.
I will try one time.
Okay.
Bye bye. Don't do that. Don't leave your rubbish in this desert, please. I say you.
I say you. Yeah, we'll take and bring it to the trash bin. One good job, one egg for breakfast, and jeep tour afterwards. Now our job here is done. We met our beloved Chevrolet again and turned the wheel towards Aqaba to see the Red Sea. Sounds good.
Welcome to Aqaba City.
Short break at the seaside was great before going to our last stop, Wadi Musa. That's the place where the famous ancient city Petra is. We will hit it tomorrow.
Okay guys, we just arrived to Wadi Musa, to our hostel called Valentine, and that's how it looks like. Maybe it's a bit dark, but it's under construction, I think, but still we're gonna get inside and see how it looks from inside.
Later that evening we laid back in Turkish bath. Oh boy, that was a pleasure. Fresh and early morning was perfect to visit Al-Batra, also known as Petra. It is the most recognizable place in Jordan, with almost 1 million visitors last year. Way to the ancient city goes through the Siku Gorge. It ends at Petra's most sophisticated building, the Treasury. We hiked around for 4 hours, walked to the theater and reached the high place of sacrifice. On one hand, area is really interesting and has many things to discover. On the other, tourism business kills the vibe totally. I more prefer it raw. That's my humble opinion.
No, Wi-Fi! Wi-Fi!
That's bye-bye.
Wi-Fi!
Bye-bye, yeah.
In our country we say Wi-Fi, not bye-bye. No bye-bye, just Wi-Fi.
No bye-bye.
No bye-bye, just Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. This way, to the treasury, this way. Treasury view, this way, come. Come. This way, come. I have customer here. Very good price for a tour. Very good. Look. Oh, very good. Oh, very good. Good luck. And I bought this camel statue, and he said it's possible to find statues and things from those times, like 2000 years ago, and sometimes after heavy rain you can find something in this area, and it's very, very expensive. So I just bought this cheap one to know how the real treasury looks like, and maybe gonna try to find something.
It was time to go home, but we enjoyed this trip till the last second. 72 hours in Jordan passed super fast. But that's good, right? If you like this story, give us a like and leave a comment where to go next. We are watching you!